In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create UML diagram in draw.io. We'll be working inside the draw.io editor, also known as diagrams.net, and the process is very simple once you know where the main options are. If you want to build a UML diagram quickly without starting completely from scratch, using one of the built-in templates is a great place to begin. First, inside the diagram editor, go to the menu bar at the top of the screen. Click File, and then choose New from the drop-down menu. This will open a dialog box where you can start creating a brand new diagram. In that dialog box, look to the panel on the left side and click UML. Once you do that, you'll see a selection of UML diagram templates appear. These templates can save time and give you a structured starting point, especially if you're creating class diagrams or other common UML layouts. Choose the template that best fits what you need, then click Create. After that, another dialog box will appear. This is where you can edit the file name, choose the file type, and decide where you want to save the diagram. Take a moment here to organize your file properly so it's easy to find later. When everything looks good, click Save. Once the file is created, the UML diagram template will open in the editor. From here, you can begin customizing it to match your project. If you want to add more shapes or connectors, use the left panel where the available diagram elements are stored. This is where you can expand the template and include additional classes, relationships, or other UML components as needed. To edit an existing shape, object, or text, simply click on it. Then use the Format panel on the right side to adjust its appearance or settings. This is helpful if you want to change styles, alignment, colors, or other formatting details to make the diagram clearer and more polished. If you need to move an item, select it and drag it into position. You can also resize it using the handles around the edges, or rotate it using the rotate handle near the top corner. For text, click the text box itself, or click the shape that contains the text, and then update the wording as needed. This makes it easy to tailor the template so it accurately reflects your system or process. And that's it. That's how to create a UML diagram in draw.io using a template, then customize it with shapes, connectors, and formatting tools.